A man was attacked, chopped and shot to death while bringing his 7-year-old son home from a wake at McDonald District in Cook River, Clarendon on Thursday night. The deceased has been identified as 38-year-old Fitzroy Ricketts, otherwise called Chewy, a farmer from the district. It was reported that around 9:40 p.m. Ricketts and his 7-year-old son were at a wake in the community. The son fell sleepy during the event and requested to be taken home. Police said Ricketts and the child went home, but upon pulling his gate, the father was accosted by several men who opened gunfire at him. He ran into his yard and was chased into bushes, where he was killed. The child ran back to the wake and made an alarm. Residents notified the police, who with help of several community members searched the muddy terrain and found Ricketts' body in bushes about 150 meters from his dwelling in the dense vegetation. He was found suffering from chop wounds to the neck and what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the head. He was clad in blue jean trousers, a gray sweater, type shirt, and a black and white pair of Adidas sneakers. The body was taken to Mapen Hospital, confirmed dead, and later removed to the morgue. A Senton man died Wednesday evening after he was shot several times by occupants of a car while standing at a shop in his community. He is Sean Graham, a 41-year-old farmer of Sugar Hill Lane in Pimento Walk. Reports from the authorized police are that the attack took place about 6:25 p.m. Graham was standing at his shop when a man exited a vehicle that approached and opened gunfire, hitting him multiple times. The police were summoned and Graham was pronounced dead at hospital. His uncle told Observer Online that he was not involved in unscrupulous activities. He called on his nephew's killer to turn themselves in. The police report that there was a lone shooter, but the grieving man said he was told that there was more people in the vehicle. A 25-year-old sales representative was shot dead in Mount Airy, Westmoreland on Wednesday night. The deceased has been identified as Mario Ferguson of Burton Street in the parish. Ferguson is said to have worked with his father, who owns and operates a liquor business for years. Reports from the Negril police said that about 8:30 p.m., Ferguson went to a shop to make a delivery. Shortly after, two men reportedly drove up on a motorcycle, opened gunfire, hitting him before escaping. The police were summoned and Ferguson was taken to Savannah Lamar Public Hospital, where he was pronounced dead.